Hi, I'm Drew Reynolds, and I help nonprofits use data to demonstrate impact. If you're a nonprofit professional, you are committed to bringing about positive change in your cause area. You're hiring people, managing staff, fundraising, working with your board, all for the purposes of making the world a better place. But it can be hard to know if you're actually making a difference. Say you do tutoring work and you want to make sure that the students you're serving are actually increasing in their GPA or more likely to graduate. Or say you do housing and homelessness work and you want to make sure that the families and individuals that you're serving are transitioning from homelessness to stability and stay in stability even after they're done with your program. Or say you work in substance use prevention and you want to make sure that the communities that you're serving are actually decreasing in their use of substances and lessening their likelihood for addiction. Now, as a nonprofit leader, you also know that investing in data is critical to your organization's mission. Research shows that nonprofits that invest in their data early are able to grow and scale their programs faster than nonprofits that don't. And it's probably because they can make a compelling case to funders that their programs and their services bring about a positive effect in their cause area. Now, you've probably heard some people tell you you should run your nonprofit like a business. And while there's definitely some truth to that, nonprofits are different from traditional businesses in one critical way: the outcome of interest. Nonprofits are looking towards social outcomes, while for-profit businesses are looking at a bottom line and revenue. The thing is how much money you make in a quarter is a lot easier to measure than whether or not you've made a difference in a school community's bully program, or whether or not you've helped a community make sense of its identity and purpose through community-based arts and culture programming. This is why nonprofits have to invest in data to be able to show impact in these intangible ways. I started this consulting business because I want to help nonprofits walk through a step-by-step, data-driven process to improve their organization's capacity to demonstrate impact. First, what we do is we help organizations assess where they are, understand what they're doing well, and then build a roadmap to transition into a data-driven organization. Then we help those organizations work through a theory of change, that visual diagram or a set of sentences that help clearly articulate what you do and what impact you intend to have, and also how you're going to measure it. As a part of this process, we help you measure not only what you do, like the events you put on or the number of people you serve, but also the long-term positive outcomes that come as a result of the work that you have been doing. Once this plan is in place, we don't leave you on your own. We help you implement this data strategy plan so that you can collect, analyze, report on, and share your data with all the people who are interested in your organization's mission. We're confident that this process is going to help you raise more funds and be more successful in your grants, so much so that it's going to cover more than the cost of the investments that you make in data. And we're so confident in this that if you're not happy with the results up front, we'll work with you until you are. But you don't have to take my word for it. Take a look at our client reviews, see how our work has helped other nonprofits advance their missions. And if you're ready to take your organization to the next level, send us an email or give us a call, and we'll have a quick, no-pressure consultation to help talk about ways in which your nonprofit can become a data-driven organization.